and in this video we are assembling the pumpkin box. So I have already put the panels on one piece of my upper and one piece of my lower, and I'm just going to point out that the top pieces have a T right here, and the lower pieces have an L on the bottom right tab. Okay, so I have laid my pieces out the way they need to go on because I'm alternating my pattern, and I want to make sure that I put them on the right way. I'm just going to fold on my tabs and then glue my pieces on. And I apologize for my children upstairs making a lot of noise. So if you can hear them, I am sorry. So the bottom piece is slightly smaller, narrower than the top piece. And the same with the panel piece for the bottom. So when you cut them, make sure you keep these bottom pieces. Don't mix them up with your top. Because they are a slightly different size. So you can see this goes pretty quick. Okay, so there are the panel pieces. And before I put these together, start putting these parts together, I'm gonna put these now I have chosen some tans and blacks for my pumpkin, but you can use all kinds of different colors. You can make it look Halloween by using a Halloween color. If you have a bunch of different coordinating pattern papers that you like, if you did each section a different color, it would look like a patchwork pumpkin. You can do the traditional orange. But I have several other pumpkin projects that I'm doing, and those are all orange, so I wanted to just do something a little bit different on this one. Now I'm going through. I'm just putting some glue here on each tab. This goes pretty quick. Making a mess with the glue. Try not to do that. So there is the top piece. Now, the way you can tell which piece is for your top and which is for the bottom, your piece for the top has a hole in it for your stem, and that's this piece here. So I'm just going to put this together. Fold all these tabs down and close it up. So even the stem is very simple. And then you just push these tabs through. And fold them up here underneath. And we'll glue these down. And we'll glue these down into place. Trying to get them turned up so it'll stay. And now we're just going to put the top on. So I like to kind of get it lined up on one side, and then with my hands on the inside, I push right at the seam and push it out. I'm pushing it out with my fingernail to get it level there with the edge of the top. So that's the top. This corner is a little bit off. There we go. And now we do the same thing with the bottom. So we're just going to fold it on all of the score lines. The bottom only has panels for the bottom part because this part will be covered by the lid. And then again, I'm going to go ahead and put the box together. This way I know it helps it fall into shape correctly. I know how big it needs to be. I don't get to the end and try to figure out where I went wrong getting these pieces together. So now we're just going to put these together. When you're lining them up, you're lining them just to the score marks. And just apply some pressure for a few seconds, make sure it's sticking. I need to put a little more glue right there. Up just a little here on this spot. And it's actually a little bit crooked, so I'm gonna take this apart here, fix that. Okay, and now we're just going to put the bottom on. And we're going to do the same thing that we did on the top. I'm just going to kind of smoosh it around a little bit, get it to stick part way. I'm just squeezing it in, pinching it, trying to get it into shape and get it to hold. Add a little more glue to these tabs. It is a snug fit, so there we are. Just had to coax it in there a little bit. And then for the leaf, so I've cut 2 strips here, and I'm just gonna roll them around this tool. I think I'm only going to use the brown ones. I don't think I want to use that green one. And I'm just going to glue that to the lid, like so. And then do that to the other side. Loosen it up just a little. And then I'm going to also curl my leaf. I'm going to curl both sides up a little. And I'm just going to glue this right in here, pin this up, right over where those are glued to kind of hide that. And there we have it. There is the pumpkin box. Thank you for joining me.